Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x cube plus x square is equals to 2 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm taking all the terms together. So I'll take plus 2 to other side. It becomes minus 2 is equals to 0. Now this minus 2 I can write it as minus 1 is equals to 0. So if I'll pair up with x cube minus 1 plus and x cube square minus 1 is equals to 0. Now here we can use the very famous identity, that is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab, and here a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So I'm going to use these two identities here. So first the cube one. So here we can write x minus 1 x square plus 1 plus x. Now the second one is x plus 1 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now I can take x minus 1 common. So what is left? X square plus 1 plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now x minus 1, x square plus x is 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have two roots, I case 1. Either x minus 1 is equals to 0, so minus 1 goes to other side, so x is equals to 1, or case second, x square plus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. So here we can see that it's look like a quadratic equation. So we are going to use the quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here a is equals to the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is equals to coefficient of x, that is 2, and c is the constant term, that is also 2. So now we are going to put the value. X is equals to minus 2 plus minus under root b square is 2, that is 4, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 2. Divided by 2a, that is 2 into 1. So minus 2 plus minus under root 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 minus 8 is minus 4 divided by 2. So x is equals to minus 2 plus minus under root, we can write it as 4 multiply minus 1 divided by 2, and the value of minus 1, square root of minus 1, we can call it as iota. So x is equals to minus 2 plus minus under root 4 I divided by 2. So x is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2I divided by 2. If I'll take 2 as common, so minus 1 plus minus I divided by 2 to cancel out. So the value of x is minus 1 plus iota or minus 1 minus iota. So we have three values of x. So x is equals to 1, x is equals to minus 1 plus iota, and x is equals to minus 1 minus iota. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.